National Weather Service in Ruskin has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for east central Polk County in central Florida until 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:59 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Haines City, moving east at 15 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs. Siding, entries. Locations impacted include Haines City, Point Sienna, Davenport, and Lake Hamilton. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county, Polk, Florida.